there, so in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to rationalise the denominator in a third fraction. So if you look here, you can see I've got a fraction, there's thirds in the numerator and denominator. I'm going to try and take the thirds out of the denominator. That's what's called rationalising the denominator. So what you can do, as demonstrated by what's written here, is you're going to multiply the numerator and numerator and denominator by the same term, 2 plus 6 root 3 in this case. And this comes from the denominator, just with the sign here reversed. So if it's a minus, then you change it to a plus, make it arcade. And if it's a plus, then it would be a minus that you multiply the numerator. Now the next step, there's a little trick to multiplying this out. I'm going to do it the long way first, and then I'll show you the short way. Okay, so starting out, let me just write my numerator because that won't change at all. And say I multiplied this out longhand using the method that I've shown before. So that would be 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 times 6 root 3, which is plus 12 root 3. And then you've got multiplying these gives you minus 12 root 3. And then minus 6 times 6 is 36. And then you've got root 3 times root 3, or 3 times 3. Which equals root 5, 2 plus 6 root 3. All over, and you can see these two terms cancel, so all left is 4 minus 36 times 3, which comes out as 108, so 4 minus 108. Okay. Now we could have got this step a lot easier by using something called difference of squares. So from here, I've got a plus and a minus with the same two terms, has to be two terms. Then it expanded will just be the first term squared minus the second term squared. So here it would be 2 squared, 4, minus 6 root 3 squared, which is 36 times 3, or just 108, which is just what we have here. So, to move on to the next step, 4 minus 108 is minus 104, so I've got root 5, 2 plus 6 root 3, all over minus 104. And now, some of you watching this may have spotted there's a factor of 2 in the numerator from this 2 and this 6, a factor of 2 in the denominator, because 104 is even. So, quickly divide the numerator and denominator by 2, gives you just root 5, open bracket, 1 plus 3 root 3. All over minus 52. Or, as I would write it, I put the minus sign out front like this, or in the numerator, doesn't really matter. Have this just over 52. So that was how to rationalise the denominator in a third fraction. Thank you.